This job does matter. We're in this together. When we slow down, sit back, think about what we do, each and every person matters. They play a vital role in our country's defense, the freedom of Americans, the safety of each and every one of our family members. So it is important, and sometimes it's okay to remind ourselves what we do matters.
The nation's counting on what we do, so I have to continue to keep striving to excel every day and making sure that the product that I'm putting out is exceptional and it's something that is going to contribute to the mission.
I think just what we're doing at this company is a big deal to support our nation. So I'm just honored to be a part of it, to help serve my country in a different aspect.
It's something that you get to take great pride in. I just think it's so vital. We're working to defend our country.
To be able to create something to help our country and save lives is amazing.
So it means a lot to me that I'm able to help protect the country and support the people that are putting their lives on the line every day.